This electronic laser acupuncture pen is a painless, acupuncture-type stimulation which uses an electric pulse to activate tissues, firm sagging and aging skin, promote healthy blood circulation, detox the meridians and help to reduce muscle pain. The electronic acupuncture pen only needs one AA battery to function. It has a digital display that shows the strength of the electrical pulse output. Simply press the start button to increase or decrease the strength of the electric pulse. And press the pen to the affected areas and it will release an electric pulse to stimulate the meridian and acupuncture points in your body for healing and pain relief. The spheroidal head is partial therapy, applicable for quickly alleviating pain. While the dome head is superficial therapy, applicable for health care and facial beautification. The electronic acupuncture pen is lightweight and fits easily in your pocket, bag or pouch. Use it while traveling or just for a long day at work, where you'll need relief from your pain. You can get the electronic laser acupuncture pen through the link in the description below. That is all. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and this video helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you in the next video.